Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's start with the news today. Canada prohibits Belarusian aircraft from entering country airspace in response to their support of Russia. Belarusian aircraft are prohibited from entering Canadian airspace in response to their support of Russian unprovoked aggression in Ukraine, according to a tweet from Canadian Transport Minister Omar Algahabra. Effective immediately and until further notice, all aircraft directly or indirectly owned, registered, charters, leased, operated or controlled by a citizen of either the Russian Federation or of Belarus are prohibited from entering, exiting, and overflying Canadian airspace, Transport Canada tweeted. The restrictions is part of a number of economic measures from Canada against direct supporters of Russia. We have issued a revised #NoTAM notice to airmen to inform air operator of their new restrictions. Transport Canada tweeted, "We will not hesitate to take immediate enforcement action should non-compliance with the restriction be confirmed." This is the end of our news today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.